I will start this tutorial with this preset right here. Then hitting play button, you can see the movement in the presets, the movement of the shapes, the movement of the text that will appear in this presets. You can see it is a 10 seconds preset. You can double click and adjust this one. I will delete it and press my tutorial, let's say tutorial 21, hit OK. Then you adjust the font. I will change to a different font, then change the shape itself. First I will copy animation because with you ungroup it, it will lost its movement. To make sure you copy animation before you adjust on a group. Then I will select it separately, increase the value of alpha. Increase the value of alpha, increase the opacity of the shape. You can see it appear and disappear at some point, at some keyframe it added at the timeline. So I will select each shape, I will go to the node menu, I will press off adding automatic keyframe. I just need to add a selective keyframe at each point. I will increase or decrease value of alpha at this point and saving this keyframe. Let's say I will decrease alpha of this point and hitting adding saving new keyframe. Let's say I will make some adjustment of separate shapes, separate rectangular on this shape. Let's select each one and decrease its alpha to disappear if I didn't want it to appear right here. Let's give the same effect in the presets with make my custom adjustment. Make your own choice for adjusting the alpha nodes appearing and disappearing to give a different result at the end. It will be changed according to the project you're working on. If you want a project like number or letter, let's say like letter G, this one here letter G, so it disappeared at the middle. So you need to make some adjustment if you want to change it to a different letter. Let's say I will choose different letter. Let's give it some animation. Make sure to select it first. To allow you to apply animation, you must select the shape. You will apply different preset animation. Let's say I will give this animation, saving keyframe. Let's choose different one, adding a different set of animation, select different cube, adding different key animation. Make sure to press on the green plus button to save it. If you didn't save it, it will lose. You will save this movement. I will change to this one. I will choose different preset. To allow you can see different presets, it will move accordingly. You can see some rotation of some cubes that you've added some rotation movement, and some animation movement I've added it appearing and disappearing, so you may not notice. And if you give to this properties of the lights, these lights you're talking about the last lesson, you can see the adjustment you've added. You can make adjustment on light number 1, light number 2, add it or remove it. Just add the node on the left bottom of the screen. I have added in the last lesson if you didn't watch it. And if you're seeing this lesson now, you can adjustment and color from this value and this node right here. This panel on the right side allow you precise movement for the light, allow you precise color, precise adjustment for the angle X and angle Y. It gives the direction of the light you've add modification. Let's say I will change the color of this light to this one. At each second you can add a new keyframe, so you can move the light according to the keyframe you've added at the timeline. Let's say I will change this color, the first color and the second color, and hitting plus button to save at this second, the second number 10. You must look at the time frame at the second you added that keyframe. I will save it at the second number 10. Then it saves the movement at that second. If you want a different movement of each color, just move along the timeline and give it a different color. You can see you colorize the object according to the light movement. That's all, and save it.